Good day everyone, my name is Bea. The procedure that I will going to do is assessing the lungs and the thorax of the patient. In this procedure, we can identify if the patient have a problem in thorax or in the lungs. So, I already worn my gloves and also done for my hand sanitation. So, imaginary that the patient um, wear the gown. So, let's start. Malikod po kayo, sir. So first, I will going to inspect for the shape and the configuration of the chest and position of your scapulae. So, hands on the lap, sir. Yan. Relax po. Inspect ko lang po. And next, inspect of use accessory muscle. So, in the first procedure, we can already identify since we are inspecting for the shape and the configuration. So, inspect ko lang po. And next, sir, I will going to inspect the positioning, noting posture. Sige po. Inhale po. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So, I'm done. Sir, next, I will going to palpate for the tenderness and the sensation. So, allow me to touch you, sir. Okay lang po ba kung hahawakan ko po kayo? Okay. Sasabihin nyo lang po kung may masakit kapag hinahawakan nyo siya. Masakit po ba? Okay. So, next, palpate for premitus using my ulnar hands. I will going to use this ulnar. Sasabihin nyo lang po, 99. Inhale muna po kayo. Okay. Can you say 99, sir? 99. Next, sir. 99. Sige po. Okay, isa pa po. So, next, I will going to palpate the chest expansion of the patient. So, for the T9 and the T10. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. So, next, I will going to percuss for the tone. Starting po tayo from the top. I will going to remove my gloves for the accurate. Okay, straight, sir. Sir, I'm done. So, and also I will going to percuss for the intercostal spaces. So, since I'm done, we can also identify the percussing. And next, I will going to percuss the diaphragmatic expulsion. So, imaginary that I have already the ruler. Okay, sir. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Next po, I will going to auscultate for the breaths. Auscultate ko lang po. Relax lang po, sir, ha? Inhale po. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, sir. I'm done. And next, I will going to auscultate for the adventinous sounds. If there's a crackles. Okay, sir. Isa pa po. Isa pa. So, lastly, I will going to auscultate for the voice sounds over the chest. So, meron po tayong dalawa, which is the bronchophony and the echophony. So, in this case, for the bronchophony, we will allow the patient to say the 99. And for the echophony, we can ask the patient if he can say the letter E. Okay? Sige, sir. Hindi. Ang sabi po, 99.
99.
Sige po.
99.
Sige. 99.
99. 99.
And for the sasabihin niyo naman po, sir, is letter E. Okay?
E. 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 E.
Okay, sir. I'm done for the posterior thorax. And next, I will going to proceed for the anterior thorax. Naman po kayo, sir? Ito po kayo. So, allow me to sanitize my hands. And wear my gloves. Ayusin ko lang po yung pwesto mo, sir. Sige po. So, next, I will going to inspect the anterior thorax of the patient. So, sir, relax lang po. Inspect ko lang po yung shape and the configuration ulit po ng inyong lungs. So, sige po. Okay. So, next, inspecting for the position and the sternum for the anterior and the lateral viewpoints. Sige po. Sige po. And next, I will going to inspect for the shape and the ribs of the anterior. Okay, next. I will going to inspect for the intercostal spaces. In this case, for the inspecting, we can identify the procedure. So, next, I will going to palpate the tenderness. Allow me po ulit para hawakan po yung inyong anterior thorax. Okay? So, sige po. Okay. Next po, I will going to palpate for the premicus. Can you say 99, sir? Okay. 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 So, next, I will going to palpate for the chest expansion. Gagawin niyo lang po, sir, is inhale and exhale. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So, next, I will going to percuss the tone above for the clavicle. And next, I will going to palpate for the I will going to percuss for the tone. I already did that, sir. And lastly, I will going to auscultate for the breath and the sound. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. So, thank you, sir, for your cooperation. So, this is, we are done for today. So, thank you, sir. Allow me also to sige.